gives intense color? Yes, it also gives intense color. And it is long lasting? No, it is not long lasting at all. And it is a creamy velvety texture. Yes, it is creamy but not so. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, hi, my name is Shilpa and this is my channel Pong Beauty Vlog. And also those who are old here, thank you so much once again clicking this video. So yes, this video is going to be super exciting because I'm going to share with you a mini review of a overhyped product of Nykaa. So yes, if you're interested, please keep on watching. Now let's start with the intro. First of all, I'm going to show you the swatches of this Demi Matte collection of Nykaa.
Thoughts get thrown around, but we keep going on believing, and on till we're all cried out, 'cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it. This time it's not about escaping. We don't feel like it. We don't feel like it. 'Cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. Thoughts get thrown around, but we keep going on believing, and on till we're all cried out, 'cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it.
You already have seen the swatches. I picked up only 2 shades because I'm a matte lipstick kind of a person and I don't like creamy or glossy lipsticks that much. So I just tried these 2 lipsticks. The formula is absolutely amazing, but these are not matte. I don't know why they have added the matte name on that, because it doesn't feel matte, any kind of matte. It is just absolutely glossy, as you can see on my lips, but the colors are absolutely amazing. It already have 12 shades on this range and it retails for 450, but in Nykaa on sale you get it like 250 or 270 rupees each of these. Now let's talk about the packaging. The packaging is absolutely stunning. As you can see, I picked up the 2 shades, shade number 01 which is golds and shade number 11 which is clay. It is a red shade and it is a, as you can see, beautiful pink nude shade. And the packaging is absolutely stunning and the quantity is also good, and because they have copied exactly Huda Beauty Demi Matte collections, and as you can see the packaging is absolutely stunning, and also the applicator is also good. As you can see, on this type of applicator you can easily apply on your lips just with just one swipe, as you can already have seen in the swatches. You don't need 2 coat of application, but as it is not matte, it transfers a lot. I'm going to show you now. As you can see, it transfers almost my half of my lipstick. So yes, don't like me transfers lipstick, and this is a big no-no for me, because I really like the shades, but the formula is also amazing, but it transfers a lot and I have to reapply it again and again. So yes, the only cons that they have included the matte on the names, but it is no matte at all. This packaging, as you can see already, it says it is made in Italy, and also it softens and hydrates your lips, because yes, I also feel that it hydrates your lips, and also gives intense color. Yes, it also gives intense color. And it is long lasting? No, it is not long lasting at all. And it is a creamy velvety texture. Yes, it is creamy but not velvety. It is a more than glossier side of a lipstick. The packaging and quantity and the application is absolutely stunning, and I really love them. But if you ask me, will I repurchase them? No. So yes, that is all for today. Hope you like this mini review on these lipsticks, because I really love the application, and but the glossy finish I don't like. So yes, that is all for today. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and also don't forget to share it if you find this video helpful. So yes, that is all for today. Stay home, stay safe, and stay beautiful. Bye bye.